opened on a positive note. However, Sensex opened marginally down. However, Sensex and Nifty are exhibiting a lot of volatility in today's trade, and at this point in time they are trading marginally down. Sensex is trading at 28,660 levels, while the Nifty is trading at 8,700 levels. In terms of BSE mid cap and BSE small cap index, they are underperforming the BSE Sensex and Nifty and are trading marginally down by 0.3%. In terms of sectoral indices, Bank Nifty is down 0.46%. All the counters of Bank Nifty are in red except for Kotak Mahindra Bank and Canara Bank. We are seeing sharp selling in BSE Metal Index, led by heavy selling in Hindalco. Apart from Hindalco, we are also seeing selling in SAIL, NMDC and Tata Steel, which is dragging the BSE Metal Index down, and it is down by 1.4% at this point in time. We are also seeing selling in BSE and realty stocks, where BSE Realty Index is down more than 1%. We are seeing selling in many counters like DLF, Godrej, Anantraj Industries, Phoenix Mill, Prestige Estate and Oberoi Realty. However, on positive side, we are seeing some sectoral indices which are gaining in today's trade. They are BSE FMCG Index, BSE IT Index and the BSE Power Index. However, these gains are marginal. This index is just up in the range of 0.2 to 0.3%. BSE FMCG Index is up 0.3%, led by gains from counters like HUL, Marico, Colgate, Tabor and Tata Global. BSE IT Index is up 0.3%, led by gains from HCL Tech, Wipro, Tech Mahindra. What we are seeing after HCL Tech is up smartly 2% after it has announced the record date for its bonus in the ratio of 1:1 on March 20th. Because of this counter is seeing action and is up more than 2% and supporting the BSE IT Index. BSE Power Index is up 0.27% at this point in time. It is led by gains from counters like ABB, Siemens, CESC, NTPC and GMR Infra. In terms of script specific action, we are seeing buying in counters like Asian Paints. Asian Paints was up more than 1% after it announced expansion plans and investment to the tune of 1750 crores in Andhra Pradesh. However, it has given up some gains and it is currently trading 0.7% up. ABG Shipyard is down sharply 6% after it announced that there are no plans for acquisition by any company in ABG Shipyard. So because of that, this counter is down more than 6%. NMDC also witnessing selling pressure after the iron ore index was down 0.7% in dollar terms at 58.15 a ton. So because of that, this counter is also seeing a weakness and selling. In terms of major gainers which are contributing in the index at this point in time, HUL, Bharti, NTPC, Infi, HDFC, Wipro, M&M are the positive counters which are positively contributing to the gains in Sensex, while Sun Pharma, Coal India, Dr. Reddy's are the losers and are contributing negatively to the Sensex. Currency at this point in time is trading flat at 62.75 levels. Friends, that's all from the advisory desk. We'll keep you on providing you more updates in the post-market session. Friends, have a wonderful trading session.